I would say apply around, find a place to get sponsored where you could start working as soon as possible so you could get those reps in and really start developing. Just a place where maybe you could work in person, go in person, and have people around you who have experience who could help you with challenges that they've had to deal with before. So, when something pops up on your first loan that you're like, what the heck, I don't know what to do, you have somebody right next to you who could help you. Get with a company that has an office you could go into, preferably. I mean, everybody wants to work remote now, but I don't know how beneficial that would be to you as a new loan officer. I mean, I know for me, it was not the move. So it's something to consider. Find a company that trains you. Find a company that cares about your development. And, because at the end of the day, if you don't get any training as a new loan officer, I don't see how you're going to succeed without crashing and burning over and over again. And that will happen too sometimes with training, but I mean, way more if you don't have any training and support. Very important to look out for in a company you're looking to work at.